What up, YouTube fam? So today we are going to be installing some rear tail light tint. This one is by Vivid. It's a dry application. Some of the things that I'm going to need to install this is going to be some 70% alcohol. Also, I'm going to need some of these squeegees with this felt. And I'm also going to need one of these bad guys. This is a 9mm blade. You can get these on Amazon. Everything will be linked down below. Also, I got a heat gun, so this is definitely needed. And we're gonna be installing it on the CHRYSLER 300S today. So without further ado, let's get into that. All right guys, so we're gonna use that 70% alcohol to wipe down the rear tail light. And then after that, we're gonna use some 3M tape to tape around the edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this. All right, now that we're done with that, just gonna get the 3M and go around it. Alright guys, I already pre-cut this out. Give myself enough room to work with. I'm gonna unpeel it from here, just like that. Make sure you don't get your fingerprints in the center, because if you do, it'll show. Alright, let me get my squeegee out. Alright, so I like getting it from the center, pushing my way out. Work it all out. Alright, so I had to go get my heat gun and gonna kind of force these little, try to stretch this out a little bit right here. A little heat goes a long way. Alright guys, now I got that 9mm blade, and they're breakable, but this one's a fresh one, so we'll just get started. Let me fix this up right here really quick. not hitting the paint itself. And by the way, guys, I'm not a professional or anything like that. I just do my own stuff. This is DIY for me. This is a first time for me as well. So, you know, if I'm doing stuff wrong, feel free to leave a comment and let me know your way of doing it and or an easier way of doing it. It'd be deeply appreciated. Guys, that's all she wrote. That's it. It's freaking hot out here. I had a tank top on earlier, but I was getting burned to death. Change really quick. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you a side-by-side comparison of the smoked versus not smoked and or OEM. I'm still not done with this one. I have to cut the inside where the trunk's at. I'm gonna do that right now. That's 20%. So let me finish that up really quick, and then all you have to pretty much do is do the same thing that I just did to this side to the other side, and I'm not going to bore you guys with that. Just wanted to give you guys more of a side-by-side comparison anyways. So yeah, man, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap it up, and then I'll show you guys the end result here pretty soon.